the defending champions and 3 times IPL champion and reaching the playoffs in all editions of the IPL. How does the MS Dhoni led CSK do that? Let's find out from Anirudh and Ghosh. So Anirudh, what do you think about CSK's chances going into this year's edition?
Like if there is any one team who knows how to play IPL, is none other than Chennai Super King. Like every time they have played, they have qualified for playoff, and they have won 3 times the trophy, and except from 2 times, like they have reached finals.
Right. So whenever we talk about the IPL, we talk about Chennai Super Kings. Like we associate the IPL.
Yeah,
we can never write them off.
I mean, what I like about the CSK is most is like that the same attitude which Australia used to carry during 90s and early 2000s. Like whatever happens on the field, don't give up.
Right.
Take the game to the team.
Yeah, I mean they were banned for a couple of years. They came
Still
back
they came back
strongly,
again.
and then they.
And
won
last
the-
year also there was a debate like they are the team with the most old players with above 30 age players, but still they showed like in T20 all you need to win the match is like experience and skill.
Yeah, and sticking to the plans. So I think MS Dhoni is perfect for that job. So what do you think about the strengths of the team?
Like MS Dhoni knows like how to make a team. Like
How to use his players and
how to use his players. Like whatever he has got, like he has made sure that the team should perform well.
Right. What do you think about the strength of the team?
Strength of the
There are
team is
plenty. I mean, we can talk
plenty.
about.
I mean, like we can start with batting. Like just see, like apart from Dhoni, you have Suresh Raina, like one of the consistent
Performance
batsmen.
in the IPL.
Yeah, like one of the consistent batters in IPL. Then you have Shane Watson, Darren Bravo. Although they have retired from Test cricket, but as of now, their T20 records speaks of their talent
Right.
and the kind of experience they bring in.
Yeah. What about the weakness? Does the age factor, like you guys are taking the age factor positively? I mean, which probably didn't make CSK win last year, but would that affect them this year? I mean, what are the probable weakness for CSK?
I think one of the weakness will be their fast bowling because Ngidi, who was like one of the key bowlers last year, suddenly got injured.
Right.
So not only that they will have to find one overseas replacement for him, but they will also have to make sure like that guy equally stands up to the task. I mean, they have someone like David Willey with them, and he's equally good too. Like with cutters, variation in pace
Right.
and bounce,
Right.
slow balls. But still, I mean, NKD he will be like hugely missed.
Right, but don't you think like MS Dhoni has plenty of bowling option with Karan Sharma, Harbhajan
Yeah,
Singh,
I mean, like,
Imran Tahir?
yes.
Would managing all these bowling options be difficult for him?
Like every time CSK has stepped into like whenever they are playing, like MS Dhoni has a lot of bowling options. Like he always had 6-7 bowling options.
Right.
Like previous year also we saw sometimes Harbhajan didn't bowl some match and Jadeja didn't.
So can that be like taken as a weakness?
No, it's kind of they have plenty of options. Like there are 6-7 options from where they can choose from, but still they will miss the service of
Lungini.
Yeah, I think one of the strength will be is that there's like spinners.
Right.
Like as you were saying, that Harbhajan and Jadeja, they actually don't need to bowl the 4 overs because Kedar Yadav has joined the team this time.
Right.
And I mean the kind of all-round talent is that with a unique slinging bowling action, he brings like a complete new dynamics into the game.
Right, so also CSK has 4 probables for the ICC Cricket World Cup, that is Kedar Jadhav and MS Dhoni were almost confirmed, and also Ambati Rayudu and Ravindra Jadeja are also looking for a spot in the squad. So how do you think the workload management would affect the team?
the workload management would not affect this team that much, I think. Like, and this time they are playing in home condition rather than like they last year they played in Pune.
But they were equally good in Pune too. Like they almost made Pune like their home stadium.
Right.
Like
So-
the kind of performance is good.
Right. So are we looking at the 4th title for CSK this year?
You never know like what CSK can do. Like if MS Dhoni led team can.
Right. What do you think? Like
I would
Will CSK
I would
go
give
the
75 to 80% to to CSK to
CSK.
win the title for the fourth time.
Right, you can never write them off. So they start their campaign against RCB in the first game of this year's IPL, that is on Saturday. And let's hope for a great IPL season this year. So that's all from us today. And keep watching TNI videos. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like them, and comment if you like our videos. And follow thenewindianexpress.com for more news and updates.